We are getting ready to host our 5th annual Soup and Chili Cook-Off. If you're going to be a judge, you have to agree to sample every one. We have 10 cooks, and then everybody will go around, sample the chili, sample the soup.
Really good, a lot of cheese. Kind of tastes like a hamburger helper chili.
I think it's delicious, and I'm lactose intolerant, so I just had a little bit.
There's scorecards that they'll fill out, scale of 1 to 5. Once everybody's sampled all of the chilies, we'll add everything up, total the scores, and then the top 3 people win prizes. And the winner of this year's Soup and Chili Cook-Off is Loco Taco Chili.
Completely unexpected. I did not think this would happen, but
We do this every year. It's a good time to get everybody in from the field, hang out in the office, and just have a good time together.
today, here we are. I made it 2 hours ago, but good things happen to bad people.